Howdy do. I have some good news for you. The potato got adopted. He's not gonna bother you again. No, you don't have to worry about potato harassment. He really liked you. He just doesn't understand boundaries. He wasn't trying to be mean. He's just a little not smart. But that's okay. Because you kitties don't have to be smart. No, you don't have to have jobs. Yeah. Oh, you don't like that? Yeah. Oh, what's the matter, Howdy? Feeling a little sensitive today? Yeah? What's the matter? You like that? Oh! Who'd you hiss at? Okay.